Hi folks, Tim Newman with Softlight Studios, and it's time for another Adobe Photoshop CC quick tip. In today's quick tip, we are going to learn how to quickly and efficiently isolate a single view in a multiple layer document. I just found this quick tip recently myself and I love it. Let's take a look. So here we are in a Photoshop document. You can see over here to the right, there are a lot of layers in this document. Not as many as some of the documents I build, but there's a few. If I just say, for instance, want to look at only the image and nothing else, what we would have historically done is gone over here and clicked on all these layers and turned them on and off, or drag the mouse down across all of the layer eyeball icons, and those layers would come and go as we wanted them to. Something I just discovered on the Mac, Option key on Windows, Alt key, click on the one layer you want to see, everything else goes away. Hold down that Option or Alt key, click on them, and they're back on again. Well, that's it, folks. I think that's the quickest quick tip we've ever delivered, and I challenge you to say that by Sally Selling She Sells by the Seashore 3 times really fast. All right, enough of that silliness. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you found this information useful. Remember that red subscribe button down there at the bottom. And before we send you out into the world to take pictures, remember what we always say, learning equals skills, practice equals mastery. We'll see you out there.